Looking for the best shop aprons? In this video we will look at some of the top 3 shop aprons on the market. Before we get started with our video, we have included links in the description for each product mentioned, so make sure you check out to see which is in your budget range. At number 3, QeeLink Leather Welding Apron. Nice quality leather, not too thick, not too thin. Heat resistant, made for welding, but great for a lot of shop applications. Lighter than other leather aprons. Strap design helps keep the weight off your neck, making it very comfortable. Good quality for the price. Nice length for tall people. You will be getting a good value on this heat resistant apron, which offers the advantages of leather and a comfortable fit. This apron is very long, which offers less range of motion than others on the market, however the length makes it very protective. At number 2. G&F Products, Leather Bib Apron. Made from cowhide. Comfortable and lightweight. Does a great job of protecting your clothing from sparks. Provides more protection than heavy canvas. Straps cross in the back to defer weight from your shoulders. Stands up to hard use. An affordable choice for a leather workshop apron. Designed with fewer pockets than most on the market. At number 1. Hudson Durable Goods, Waxed Canvas Work Apron. Nice full coverage at 27 inches of width. Large, deep pockets. Includes a high pocket for your smartphone. Made from a good quality heavy-duty waxed canvas. Great for woodworking, but also can withstand high heat situations. A very heavy-duty apron that will keep your tools handy and reliably protect your clothes. The straps on this apron can be difficult to use and keep fastened. To buy or check price, click link in description. Please like and subscribe our channel for more products reviews.